Next question that is given here, that let U be the set of all real number and A equals to X such that X belongs to R and 0 less or equal to less than X less than 2, and B is given like that, X such that X belongs to R and this. Now we have to find A union B. Okay, A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, all of this. We have to find the option. Here the solutions is given. A is equal to given here. Now A prime is equal to R minus A. That means X such that X belongs to R, X belongs to R and X doesn't belongs to A. Here one missing. Here X belongs to R. X belongs to R and X doesn't belongs to A. Next, it is given here that X such that X belongs to R and X greater or equal to 2, X greater or equal to 2, or X belongs to R and X less or equal to 0. That's implying X such that X belongs to R and X greater or equal to 2, or means union. Okay, or X such that X belongs to R, X less or equal to 2. Similarly, B prime we are taking B prime. B prime is equal to X such that X belongs to R and X is less or equal to 1. Union X such that X belongs to R and X greater than 3. B prime can be represented by this and A prime can be represented by this. Now A union B, if we take A union B, that's equal to X such that X belongs to R and 0 less than X less or equal to 3, and A intersection B is equal to X, those X that X belongs to R and 1 less or equal to X less or equal to 2, less than 2, sorry, and A minus B is equal to X such that X belongs to R and 0 less than X less or equal to 1. Okay, so my correct option should be A, B and C. That is, correct option is all of this can be happened. So my correct option is D. Okay. Next, one more question is given here. Y union 1 comma 2 is equal to this. Then the smallest set of Y. What is the smallest set? Y union 1 comma 2 is equal to this. Then smallest set of Y. Now what should be the smallest set? If we take here 3, 4, 5, 9 from the question, if we take 3, 5, 9, then if we get the union with 3, 5, 9 with 1 comma 2, then we can get 1, 2, 3, 5, 9. So 1 should be a correct answer. Next, we are taking the largest set 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Okay, this is the largest. So if we take that, then the union is also with this set 1 comma 2 comes this. So the largest set should be this and the smallest set is this. So A and C is the correct option. Next, A has 3 elements and B has 6 elements. Then the minimum number of elements in the set A union B. 6, 3, 5 and none of this. Clearly the number of elements A union B will minimum when A is a subset of B. A is a proper subset of B. When A is a proper subset of B, it will be minimum. Hence the minimum number of element of A union B is the same the number of element with B. Correct, because A is, when A is getting the proper subset of B, A is going the proper subset of B, then the element of B must be greater than A. Okay, and the number of element of B, we should take all the number of element of B. Now here the number of element of B is equal to 6 given. So my required answer is 6. Understand? Next, suppose A1, A2, A3 are 30 set, A30 are 30 sets, each 5 elements with 5 elements that B1, B2, Bn are n set, each other with 3 elements. Let I equal to 1 to 30 ai is equal to j is equal to 1 to n, bj is equal to s. If the element of s belongs to exactly 10 of the ais and exactly 9 of the bj's, then n is equal to exactly 10 of the ai, okay, element of exactly 10 of ai and exactly 9 of bj. Then the solution. Now look at the solution. Here given ai prime, exactly 10 of ai prime and exactly 9 of bj prime. Now here ai prime is 30 sets with 5 elements each. So I equal to 1 to 30, n of ai, total number of ai is equal to, each has 30 sets, 5 elements. So that should be multiplied with 30. So we get 150. Now if there is m elements in S and each element S belongs to exactly 10 of AIs, okay, so we have I equal to 1 to 30, n of AI is equal to 10. Next, from here, from these two equation, above two equation, we get 10m is equal to 150. So m, my value of m is equal to 15. Similarly, j is equal to 1 to 30, n of bj, okay, is equal to 3n, and j is equal to 1 to 30, n of bj is equal to 9m. Similarly, 3n is equal to 9m. 3n is equal to 9m. And n is equal to 9m minus 3 is equal to 3m. Now 3m, value of m is equal to 15. So n is equal to 45. Hence n is equal to 45. So the value of n will be 45. So option A is my correct option. Next, another question. A is equal to this set, B is equal to 2 to 18, and n is the universal set. Then A prime union A in union B intersection B dash is. Now let us take the solutions. A union B intersection B dash equal to A. Okay, we know that the A union B intersection B dash equal to A. Now here A union B intersection B dash union A dash is equal to, since this equal to A, so we write it here A union A dash, so that's equal to n. Okay, so option B is my correct option. Next, question number 13. The solution is also given. Question number 13. If x and y are two sets and x dash denote the complement of x, then x intersection x union y prime. Let us take the solution x intersection x union y prime is equal to x intersection, this is by De Morgan's law. By De Morgan's law we can write that. So we are writing here. Now using this property, the distributive law we are using here, x intersection x dash intersection y dash x intersection x is equal to phi, phi intersection y is equal to phi. Okay, so phi is my, the option C is my correct option. So these are some solutions from set JEE main solution, and now I will definitely provide some more solution regarding this. Now till then, keep watching. Okay, thank you.